Adolf Benza. Mediterranean anarchy and the interstate war and the rise of Rome. The rise to Brito-American is neutrality, Universal Pantheon, Galleria Neua, the painter of modern time, Apollonian Metamorphosis, Adolf Benza, Trikovsky, prezident Macedónia, Richardus, ambassador to Czechoslovakia, and Musil, kultúra attaché, Vladimír Putin, KGB, history, Miro Gallery, KGB, historia, Rudolf II, Rudolf Habsburg, neutrality, modern Donau cataract at Droid state, history of Jacobin, Stator, Jupiter, neutrality, modern global, Terre Verde, as the expansion, the American Russo new expansion to Communium, Comunea, the black panoramas with the red mandalas in the National Galleries of all worlds, signed Adolf Benza, the new Cristo as Abba Original, in the sensibility, in the transformation of metamorphosis from parapsychosis into the creation of singularity, sensibility, transformation, autobiography, biography, and collective anthropis, biography, living biography of classical quadratis cerebellum, transforms modern political institutes and energies of the magisterial crisis of the golden world, epoch, Abba Universal, Adolf Benza, Pantheon, Galleria Neua, Danubiana, Vernissage, the balsam trees of Judea paraded to the triumphal procession of modern Droid state, Capitolania, new Egyptian grey granite transforms modern Mons Claudius, Adolphus Magnus Opus.